Hello students, today we are going to solve the fourth problem. The question is given as the plan of a map was photocopied to a reduced size such that line originally 100 mm measures 90 mm. The original scale of the plan was 1 raised to 1000. The revised scale is. Now we need to find the revised scale, for which we need to compute the value of shrunk scale, which will be equals to shrinkage factor into original scale. Shrinkage factor into original scale. Now shrinkage factor will be equals to the shrunk length, that is 90 mm, divided by the original length, that is 100 mm, and the value of original scale is equals to 1 by 1000. After solving this, we will get the shrunk scale value as 1 by 1111. That will be the value of shrunk scale. So the revised scale is 1 raised to 1111. That is the required solution of this question. Thank you very much, students.